Good morning. Tara Waite here with Pro Solutions Air Conditioning and Heating. I wanted to get with you today and talk about your heating just a little bit, the difference between a heat pump and a heat strip. So many of us have heat pumps out here in Arizona because they work wonderful because we don't have crazy winters. Some of us, like myself, I just opted to get the regular air conditioner this year when my heat pump broke. It was about 13 years old, so it was time. And I replaced it with a Lennox, so I will be doing the heat strips. They're not as energy efficient, and they can handle colder weather, but here in Arizona, heat pump should be just fine. Sometimes people want the heat pump with the heat strips as backup for emergency heat. Not so much needed here in Arizona, but if you have any questions about the differences between heat strips and heat pump, please give us a call, 623-229-4389. Please watch. I'm going to put some before and after pictures of what Pro Solutions Air has done. Alright, again, if there's anything we can do to do better, please let us know, 623-229-4389. My email address is tyra@prosolutionsair.com. Website, www.prosolutionsair.com.